David, I feel afraid when I speak English. My heart goes fast. I think people laugh at me.
Jessica, many learners feel the same. But English is not a monster. It is a tool. Today we will build your confidence with simple present tense.
Simple present? I know little. I say, I goes to school, but people correct me.
Good example. The mistake is I goes. The correct sentence is I go to school. Let's practice.
I goes to school.
Try again. Say I go to school.
I go to school.
Perfect. See? You can do it. The simple present is easy. For I, you, we, they, we use the base verb. For he, she, it, we add s.
Oh, so she go to school is wrong?
Correct. It should be she goes to school.
She goes to school.
Excellent. Now let's make funny sentences. Say, the chicken dance every morning.
The chicken dance every morning.
Careful. Chicken is singular. So the chicken dances every morning.
The chicken dances every morning.
Great. Now let's laugh. Imagine a potato sings in the kitchen.
The potatoes sing in the kitchen.
Almost. Potato is singular. So the potato sings in the kitchen.
The potato sings in the kitchen.
Wonderful. See how easy? You're smiling now.
Yes, I laugh. I feel less afraid.
That is the secret. When you laugh, fear goes away. Let's do a drill. I ask, you answer.
Okay,
What do you do every morning?
I brush my teeth.
Correct. What does your friend do every morning?
My friend brush his teeth.
Small correction. My friend brushes his teeth.
My friend brushes his teeth.
Perfect. Next, what do birds do?
Birds fly in the sky.
Excellent. What does a bird do?
A bird fly in the sky.
Careful. A bird flies in the sky.
A bird flies in the sky.
Good job. You are learning fast.
But sometimes I forget. I say, he eat pizza instead of he eats pizza.
That is normal. Mistakes are part of learning. Repeat after me. He eats pizza.
He eats pizza.
Again. She drinks water.
She drinks water.
Excellent. Now let's role play. Imagine you are in a cafe. You order food.
Hello, I want sandwich. I like juice.
Good try. Let's make it smoother. Say, hello, I want a sandwich. I like juice.
Hello, I want a sandwich. I like juice.
Perfect. Now imagine the waiter asks, what does your friend want?
My friend want coffee.
Correction. My friend.
David, yesterday I go shopping. I want to buy things, but I make big mistake.
Tell me, Jessica, what happened?
I go to the shop. I say, I want chicken, but I mean kitchen. The shopkeeper look at me very strange.
Ha ha, that is funny. Chicken and kitchen sound close, but they are different. Let's practice. Say kitchen.
Chicken?
Careful. Try again. Kitchen.
Kitchen.
Perfect. Now say chicken.
Chicken.
Excellent. Hear the difference? Ki, chen versus chia, ken.
Yes, I hear. But in shop I feel nervous. My mouth say wrong.
That is normal. Fear makes mistakes, but practice makes confidence. Let's role play. I am the shopkeeper. You ask for a kitchen item.
Hello? I want chicken table?
Haha, correction. I want a kitchen table.
I want a kitchen table.
Perfect. Now try again with another item.
I want kitchen chair.
Good. Add a. Say, I want a kitchen chair.
I want a kitchen chair.
Excellent. Now let's make it funny. Say, I want a chicken chair.
I want a chicken chair.
Haha. Imagine a chair made of chicken. That is why pronunciation matters.
Yes, very funny. People laugh at me.
Laughing is okay. You learn. Mistakes make memory strong. Let's practice more shopping sentences. Say, I need a bag.
I need bag.
Add a. Say, I need a bag.
I need a bag.
Perfect. Now say, she needs a bag.
She need a bag.
Correction. She needs a bag.
She needs a bag.
Excellent. Now let's do a drill. I give subject, you make shopping sentence.
Okay.
I dash buy apples.
I buy apples.
Good. He dash buy apples.
He buy apples.
Correction. He buys apples.
He buys apples.
Perfect. They dash want shoes.
They want shoes.
Excellent. She dash want shoes.
She wants shoes.
Wonderful. You are improving.
But sometimes I forget S. I feel shy.
Don't worry. Let's make a chant. Repeat after me. He buys, she buys, it buys.
He buys. She buys. It buys.
Good. Now, I buy, you buy, we buy, they buy.
I buy. You buy. We buy. They buy.
Excellent. This rhythm helps memory.
Yes, I feel better.
Now let's role play again. You are in a shoe shop. Ask for shoes.
Hello, I want David. I feel so embarrassed. Yesterday, I write on social media, I am boring. Many friends laugh at me.
Oh, Jessica, I understand. I am boring means you make other people bored, but you wanted to say I am bored, right?
Yes, I feel bored, not boring, but I write wrong.
That is a common mistake. Let's practice. Say, I am bored.
I am bored.
Perfect. Now say, the movie is boring.
The movie is boring.
Excellent. See the difference? Bored is your feeling. Boring is the thing that gives the feeling.
Yes, I understand now, but my friends laugh at me.
Let them laugh. You're learning. Mistakes make you stronger. Next time, you will write correctly.
Okay, but I also write, I am Mary. I want to say I am married.
That is funny. Marry is a verb. Married is the adjective. Say, I am married.
I am married.
Perfect. Now say, I want to marry someday.
I want to marry someday.
Excellent. See the difference? Marry is the action. Married is the state.
Yes, I see. But on social media, I write fast. My fingers go wrong.
That is normal. Let's slow down and practice. Imagine you post, I am happy. Say it.
I am happy.
Good. Now imagine you post, she is sad.
She is sad.
Excellent. Now imagine you post, they are excited.
They are excited.
Perfect. Simple present is easy. Just be careful with spelling.
But sometimes I mix photo and potato. I write, I take a potato.
That is funny. Let's practice. Say photo.
Photo.
Good. Now say potato.
Potato.
Excellent. Now make a sentence. I take a photo.
I take a photo.
Perfect. Now make a funny sentence. I take a potato.
I take a potato.
Ha ha ha, strange post. But now you will remember the difference.
Yeah, David, I feel very nervous. Yesterday, I go to a job interview. I want to speak English, but I make many mistakes.
Tell me, Jessica, what happened in the interview?
The interviewer asked me, tell me about yourself. I say, I am boring person. He looked at me strange.
Haha, I understand. You wanted to say, I am a boring person, or I am a bored person?
I want to say I am a simple person, but I say wrong.
That is okay. Let's correct it. Say, I am a simple person.
I am a simple person.
Perfect. Now let's practice common interview sentences. Say, I am hardworking.
I am hardworking.
Excellent. Say, I am friendly.
I am friendly.
Good. Say, I am confident.
I am confident.
Wonderful. These are strong words for interviews.
But I also say, I am Mary. The interviewer laughed.
Yes, the correct is I am married. Say it.
I am married.
Perfect. Now say, I want to marry someday.
I want to marry someday.
Excellent. See the difference? Married is the state. Marry is the action.
Yes, I understand now.
Good. Now let's role play. I am the interviewer. I ask, what do you do every day?
I wakes up. I brush teeth. I goes to work.
Correction. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I go to work.
I wake up. I brush my teeth. I go to work.
Perfect. Now I ask, what does your friend do every day?
My friend play football.
Correction. My friend plays football.
My friend plays football.
Excellent. Now I ask, why do you want this job?
I want this job because I like money.
Honest, but maybe not the best answer. Try, I want this job because I like to learn and grow.
I want this job because I like to learn and grow.
Perfect. That sounds professional.
But I feel shy. My voice is small.
Confidence is not only words, it is also voice. Say, I am confident with strong voice.
I am confident.
Louder. I am confident.
I am confident.
Excellent. See? Your voice shows power.
Yes, I feel stronger.
Good. Now let's practice more interview answers. I ask, what are your strengths?
My strength is I am hardworking, I am friendly, I am boring.
Careful. Not boring. Say, I am honest.
My strength is I am hardworking, I am friendly, I am honest.
Perfect. Now I ask, what are your weaknesses?
My weakness is I am lazy.
Maybe not the best answer. Try, my weakness is I feel shy, but I am improving.
My weakness is I feel shy, but I am improving.
Excellent. That shows honesty and growth.
Yes, I like this answer.
Good. Now let's practice pronunciation. Say interview.
Interview.
Correction. Interview.
Interview.
Perfect. Now say company.
Company.
Correction. company.
Company.
Excellent. Now say position.
Position.
Correction. Position.
Position.
Perfect. These words are important in interviews.
Yes, I need them.
Now, let's do a speed drill. I say question, you answer.
Okay.
Tell me about yourself.
I am hardworking. David, I feel very nervous when I travel. Last week, I go to the airport. I want to check in, but I say wrong words.
Tell me, Jessica, what happened?
I go to the counter. I say, I am chicken in. The staff look at me very strange.
Ha ha ha, that is funny. You wanted to say, I am checking in, not chicken in.
Yes, but my mouth say wrong. I feel embarrassed.
That is okay. Let's practice. Say, I am checking in.
I am chicken in.
Careful. Try again. Checking in.
I am checking in.
Perfect. Now say, I want to check in.
I want to check in.
Excellent. See? Easy. Now let's role play. I am the airport staff. You check in.
Hello, I want chicken in my flight.
Correction. I want to check in my flight.
Hello, I want to check in my flight.
Perfect. Now imagine the staff asks, where are you going?
I goes to London.
Correction. I go to London.
I go to London.
Excellent. Now imagine the staff asks, do you have luggage?
Yes, I have 2 bag.
Correction. I have 2 bags.
I have 2 bags.
Perfect. You are improving.
But sometimes I mix ticket and chicken. I say, here is my chicken.
That is funny. Let's practice. Say ticket.
Ticket.
Good. Now say chicken.
Chicken.
Excellent. Now make a sentence. Here is my ticket.
Here is my ticket.
Perfect. Now make a funny sentence. Here is my chicken.
Here is my chicken.
The staff will be surprised. But now you will remember the difference.
Yes, I laugh now.
Good. Laughter removes fear. Now let's practice hotel English. Imagine you arrive at a hotel.
Hello, I want chicken in.
Correction, I want to check in.
Hello, I want to check in.
Perfect. Now imagine the receptionist asks, do you have a reservation?
Yes, I have reservation.
Correction, yes, I have a reservation.
Yes, I have a reservation.
Excellent. Now imagine the receptionist asks, how many nights?
I stay 3 night.
Correction, I stay 3 nights.
I stay 3 nights.
Perfect.